Well, this is going to be a great day today. We've been doing this for several years, and it's nice to see so many people come out here that like bike riding and being out in the fresh air. The event benefits a great cause, and in addition, I would say that just this kind of activity, more of these activities around the village kind of promote the idea of bike riding and pedestrian traffic, which helps kind of promote all of our efforts to create new access around the village. So we're going to have a great day, and it's for a great cause.
I'm Ben Stenson. I'll be biking in the bike ride for Special Olympics Illinois today. I'm 12 and I ride a DBX mountain bike.
How you doing today? I'm Robert Riley, retired lieutenant from the Orland Park Police Department and one of the co-organizers of the bike ride for Special Olympics. Today we're going to take a 14.4 mile ride on our bicycles through Orland Park, some of the Forest Preserve area, end up back here at the Civic Center. It's a great ride. We have a lot of fun on this ride, and very safe. It's not a race, so we just take a very nice ride. We have some great people that have helped us out. Patty B's, 143rd and Will Cook Road sets up breakfast for us every year. They do an awesome job. Obviously, the village itself, who help us out with everything. The Civic Center here, the Lions Club, Orland Park Law Enforcement Organization. All of them have been very a part of this ride, and we really appreciate all the things that they do for us. It's an excellent ride. Like I said, we're going to have fun, and we start off here at the Civic Center, end up here at the Civic Center, and have a great breakfast afterwards. And all for a great cause. It supports the law enforcement torch run for Special Olympics. And thank you.
Okay, I think this is a great event. Our police department sponsors. I try and come out with my family every year if I can. It's a great fundraiser for Special Olympics, and our police department is famous for their support of the effort, and they do a great job. So we'll have a great day.
First, we got to thank the Village of Orland Park for all the help they give us doing the event. The Civic Center for hosting the event. South Fork Restaurant, Patty B's, Orland Park Lions Club, Orland Park Law Enforcement Organization, Mayor McLaughlin, who's here, Chief McCarthy, who helps me out doing a lot of this stuff, and then Orland Fire's got an ambulance here, which I'll talk to in a little bit. This is a very leisurely ride. We do not race. We expect it to take about 2.5 hours. If for some reason you cannot finish, you got more than enough people who will put you in a car and you'll finish the race, so don't worry about it. We'll bring your bike back, nothing to worry about. Our bike patrol for the police department, we got 4 guys. 2 of them in the front, 2 of them in the back, or the middle. And then I'll be in the back of the ride. You need anything, just let some of us know. We go, for any of the people who have not done this before, majority of the bike trails are on the street from about 94th and Wheeler up to Catalina over 151st. Any major intersections, by all means, the police department shuts down. Extremely safe ride. We want to take care of everybody and make sure nothing happens.